Hello, welcome back. Today is the 28th of October, and I'm solving LeetCode 2501, longest square streak in an array. You are given an integer array nums. A subsequence of nums is called a square streak if the length of the subsequence is at least 2, and after sorting the subsequence, each element except the first element is the square of the previous number. Return the length of the longest square streak in nums or return -1 if there is no square streak. Hmm. hmm, Yep. So 4, 3, 6. So 2, 16, 4. Oh, this just defeats the whole purpose of having a subsequence. If you're gonna sort it towards the end, there's no point of us having. I mean, if they weren't sorting it over here, then I couldn't sort over here. But since they're doing it here, I'm gonna do it here. Uh, Let me just show it to you on my iPad exactly what I mean. Hmm, this is all right. Okay, let's just take that example. So we have 4, 3, 6, 16, 8, and 2. I'm gonna sort this in a reverse order. So that would be 16, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. I would maintain, oh, this would be done using dynamic programming, by the way. This is just a map that I'm gonna have. And what I'm gonna do is if dp of n times n exists, I would just do dp of n would be dp of n plus n times n plus 1, and else I would just do dp of n is equal to 1. So let's just take these numbers. For instance, 16 times 16, it does not is not present in dp. So we would just do 16 comma 1 here as per this condition. Then 8 comma 1 here because 8 times 8 64 does not exist. You would do 6 times 6 36. It also is not present. 4 times 4 is 16 and it is there in dpr. So I would just take this number, add 1 to it, and I would get this. 3 times 3 is 9, it does not exist. 2 times 2 is 4, so I would get this number and then do plus 1 and return. And then I would also need like an answer variable that is just storing answer, comma dp of n, the max value of this, so that I keep getting the biggest value every time I compute these numbers. Yeah. Let's go back to the code. I think I'm gonna do this in Python. Python seems fine. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So I would do nums dot sort. I would do reverse equals true. Sorry, I'm like a little bit conscious about the way I space my lines and space my values, whatever I'm writing. I need an answer, which is just 0. I will return answer. I need a TP of yeah. Is that all I need? I did write down just this much. So let's see if I'm right. For n in numbers, if uh, dp of n, if dp of n, if it does exist, I will just do dp of n. So wait. I need to do dp of n times n. If it does exist, then dp of n would just be dp of n times n. plus 1. Else, I would just do uh, dp of n equals 1, and then I would calculate my answer equals max answer comma dp of n, and then I have to check it has to be the length has to be greater than 2. So if answer is greater than 1, uh, return answer, otherwise return -1. Okay, so I can't do this. Uh, how do we check again? If I haven't done Python in a while, so I don't remember this. But let me just try Googling it. If an element exists in a dictionary and Python. Uh, hmm. If n times n in dp, then I would do this. Yeah, submit. And yep, there we go. How have other people done it? I've done it very slow somehow. They've used a sorted set. I mean, that's what. Okay. Uh-huh. Sorted set. Hmm. Set of numbers. Max length numbers. Okay. I've done it in the reverse order, so that's why my answer is a bit slow because it's sorting the whole thing in reverse order. But these guys are just doing it in the normal order. They just yeah, sorted set. Hmm. Right. Okay. That was interesting. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys tomorrow.